Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a directory or a listing website using WordPress and then how we can make money with this website. And the website that we're gonna create in this video will be full of all the amazing features. In fact, this will have all the features and facilities that a normal listing website must have. Now there are several methods that how you can make money with this website. The first one is obviously the Google AdSense. And also this website have the ad listing options where people can come and they can list their services and you can charge them for their listing. Also you can charge extra for adding your list and the ads which we will cover later in this video. First let me show you a few core features of this website. As you can see, we have a powerful search box. Now if I try to search something, this will automatically detect some of the categories that our website have. We can choose our location here, or this will automatically detect our location. And as you can see, if this detect our city, then this will write our city name here. Now the best thing about this website is you can list everything. For example, you want to list hotels, restaurants, shops and services, or you can list jobs. And also we talked about the ad listing options. So if a user visit your website, they like your services, then they can submit their company, their services or their jobs to your website, and then you can list their services on your website and you can charge them. And everything here is on the front end. For example, someone submit their services or their company to your website listing, they will get a front end dashboard where they can manage their listing. They can set up the appointments, the lead form. Also they can pay you for the listing ads, and which we will cover later in this video. And all of these options which we will cover later in this video. Now before proceeding, let me show you a quick demo of the website that we're gonna create in this video. And the reason for this is that you know in the start of the video that you need this website or not. So this is the website that we're gonna create in this video. As you can see, the hero section with a logo and the navigation and ad listing, which we will see later in this video. On the top we have a search box and then we have the categories. Now we have several demos available for this theme. For example, you don't like this look, then you can switch to this one, and this is for the restaurant or the hotels. And we have a hamburger with the logo where you can list your categories. Again we have the search box and the navigation. And this is another look which have a video background and this type of search. Now the choice is yours that which demo you like, you can set that up. And if you scroll down, you will see this locations. Again we have the location here as well, and we have this look here. Now if I scroll down, you can see this section. We have the listing here. So this is very powerful listing. As you can see, we can save this listing, we can preview this listing. This is the title, the rating and the category and a little bit description. This is the owner, obviously, the location, and we can open this now. Now again we have a different look for this one as well, and this is another look. If you like, you can set this off. And we also have this listing look. And inside news and tips you have the blog section. So as you can see, this is also very cool in look, and this is just the blog post. And if I switch to this demo, then as you can see we have these blog posts and this is a different look. Now let's see how the listing looks in a single page. So if I want to preview the listing without going to a single page, then I can click on the preview, and this will load the preview along with the map and its location. And this is a cover image with the title and the description. Now if I like this, I can open this from here, and this will take us to the detail page of this specific company or hotel or job that you have listed there. As you can see, we have a beautiful slider here. We can zoom up the images by clicking them. Now we scroll down, then these are the details of this specific hotel. As you can see, we have this description and the map, the timing which is open now, the location and the phone number, email and so on. We also have a contact form where we can contact them directly. And here are some features of this hotel, as you can see, and these are basically the detailed features. And this is the review section. So anybody who write a review will be displayed here. As you can see, we can react to their reviews as well. And if I scroll down, as you can see, these are the appointment section. These are the additional details, and this thing is the ad that I talked to you earlier. So if someone pay you extra, then you can list their website or their company here. And these are the nearby places, so all of these will be covered later in this video. Now again, there are different looks available, so let's take a look at them. As you can see, this is a different look, and this is another one. Now let's go back, and here you can list a few specific places that you want. For example, they have listed these places, and if I open any of them, and this will open that specific place, and as you can see, we have the listing over here and the map on the right side. We can again search for the specific place, and we can filter this listing as well. And if the user want, they can switch to the list view, and this is how it will look. Now again, a different look for this is this one. As you can see, we have a smaller map and a list view. Again, we can switch this to a grid view, and obviously this is the search, the categories, and so on. And the third look is this one. Now this is dependent on you, that how you want it. Now let's check this add listing button. So if I click this, and basically this is for the user that visits your website, and if they click the add listing button, then they can choose any of the plan, and you can set up these plans, and you can make these free plans basic or professionals. So you can set up the pricing obviously, and you can set up the features. Now let's continue, and here people will be able to submit their company or their hotel, restaurant. And to scroll down, as you can see, this is the title section, and for the help, this is written the title. If I scroll down to this location, then this will change to city and phone, website, and so on. So this is very helpful, and by filling this form, user will submit their listing to you, and you can approve them, and you can charge them for their listing, and then you can list their services or their company on your website. As you can see, we have the cover photo option, the logo, the brand, and so on, which we will see later in this video. So this was the demo of the website that we're going to create in this video. Now let's see how we can create this website. And to create a website, you always need a domain and hosting. Now I already have a video on domain and hosting. I'll not go in details, but I do recommend the hostinger.com, which provide you a super fast and very cheap web hosting, and with a free domain and SSL certificate. I already have a video on this, that how you can buy a domain and hosting from this website. I'll paste that link down in the description so you can watch that video as well. I'll also provide a discount link for the hostinger.com down in the description, so once you click that, you will be redirected to this page. And to buy a hosting, you just go to hosting, and here you can select WordPress hosting. Now if you scroll down, you will see the plans are very cheap. As you can see, this is just $2 per month, this is just $3, and you can select according to your choice. And here you can choose any of the plans. As you can see, in the first plan you can host one website, here you can host 100 websites, and so on. Also you have 30 GB of storage and 100 GB of SSD storage. Now SSD storage is very fast as compared to the other storage, and here you can select the visitors and so on. Once you check the features of a specific plan, then you can choose that and you can buy them. So for example, we select this one, then here you can buy this according to your need, that how much time you want to keep this domain. Now this will also offer you a free domain after this, and you can buy this hosting. You can buy this for 1 month, for 12 months, and so on. Now this is dependent on you. The more time you choose, the more you will save your money. And for my website, I will choose 48 months, which is 4 years. And as you can see, the subtotal here is $143. Now if I scroll down, and here you will find a coupon code option. So click on this and write a coupon code here. I will provide this code down in the description because it keeps changing, and I will put an updated version there. So before applying the code, you can see the price here is 143, and let's apply the coupon code. So as you can see, the price now is $129 and we have saved $719. So that is how you can save your money and you can buy a better plan for your WordPress website. Also, we have the SSL certificate free. So every time you see this icon on a website, then people can trust on that. And that is what the SSL certificate used for. Also, you have a domain name for free. So to buy this, you will have to create an account, and to create account, very simple, just you can write your email here, or you can sign up using your Google account, which I'll do in this video. So let's click on this, and this will take you to your Google account. So choose your account. So after login, you can buy this hosting now, and these are the payment methods. So you can use your credit card, PayPal, Coin Payment, or Google Pay. So I'll choose credit card here. Again, the total amount here is 129. Now I'll enter my card details here and will click submit secure payment. And this will take you to the Hostinger dashboard. So as you can see, welcome to Hostinger, and this is my username. Then click start now. Here as you can see, claim a free domain, buy domain, use an existing domain. So as in the previous video, we already buy a domain, so I'll click use existing domain. So if I click this, then this will take me to the dashboard of my hosting. So this is the dashboard of my hosting. Here I can manage my hosting, emails, domains, subdomains, servers, SSL, and so on. So once you buy the domain and hosting, then you will have to install WordPress on that hosting, and I already have videos on how to install WordPress on Hostinger or GoDaddy or any other hosting. So once you install the WordPress, then you will be redirected to the dashboard of the WordPress, and this is the dashboard. Here you can install the theme and plugins and can create your website. Now first go to settings and general. Now we will write a website title and a tagline for this. So by default it is written a WordPress website. So we will write the website title, and now scroll down and click save changes. Now if I visit my website, then as you can see, this is a basic WordPress website with the 2021 default theme. To change this, we're going to install a new theme. And as I showed you earlier, this theme, this is a Listing Pro theme, which we're gonna buy in this video. And to buy this theme, you can search for Listing Pro, and then you can go to the first link. I'll also provide this link down in the description, so you can click that and you will be redirected to this page. And here as you can see, we have the price 69. So this is just one-time payment. You just add this to cart and then buy the theme. So once you buy this theme, you will get a file like this one, and this is the activation key of the theme, which you can download from the download page of Theme Forest. So once you download the theme, then just go back to the dashboard, go to Appearance and Themes, and now we will upload that theme. So to upload the theme, just click on Add New, Upload Theme, choose File, and we will select that file. So just select this, click Open, and install now. Now once you visit this website, then you can check the demos also, which I showed you earlier in this video. And as you can see, there is no extra paid plugin required for this theme. So we just need to buy this theme and everything will be ready for us. Now let's wait for its uploading, and as you can see, once you upload the plugin, then go ahead and activate it. And after activating the theme, you will get this screen. And so this is the startup screen, and then you can click on start. And here we will choose our page builder. In this case, I'll choose Elementor. If you want, you can choose the WP Bakery as well. So I'll choose Elementor and will click next. And in this step, we will have to install all the required plugins. So as you can see, if you click yes, I am ready, then this will install these plugins. and these are necessary for running the theme successfully. So we just have to click on yes, I am ready, and this will start installing the plugin. And here you will find the free build demos, and as you can see, these are the demos that I showed you earlier in this video. And if you want to check any of the demo, then you can go to this link, and here you can try any of these, and the one you like, you can pick this here. Now I want to use the classic one, which is this one, so I'll just click this and we'll click accept. Once we click accept, then this will start importing the demo. So we just need to click import content, and this will start the processing, and this will take some time according to your net speed and the server speed. And now as you can see, we have access to all of these options, and before accessing these options we need to activate our theme. And in order to activate this, you will have to write your activation key here, and to get the activation key you can get it from the theme forest, or if you don't know, then you can watch this video.
Thank you for installing the Listing Pro theme.
And as you can see, you can go to the download page of the theme and you can download your license key here. So once you get the key, you will get a file like this one. I already have the key, so I'll just copy this and we will write it here. So this is the purchase code. You will select the live side here and we'll click activate. And that's it. That is how you can activate the theme. Now let's visit our website. And now as you can see, we have all the demo data that I showed you earlier in this video. These are the search box, the categories, and the locations and so on. Obviously we can change the locations, the listing according to our need, and we can customize the site according to our need as well. And to customize the site, I'll create another video about this, and we'll show you how we can customize the pages, how we can customize the listing, the categories, and so on. Now if you already know that how you can customize the theme, then you are good to go, and that is how you can create a listing website or a directory website inside WordPress. I hope the video will help you. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.